Keep the following items ready. A pack containing hemoglobin test strips. This should also have a calibration strip. Lancing device and lancets. Alcohol swabs. Sterile gloves. Once you have chosen the patient, under whole blood POCT, tap and choose hemoglobin. Enter the lot number of the test strips. The lot number is printed on the pack. Enter the code in the code field. The code is also printed on the pack. Enter the expiry date. This is also printed on the pack. Read the expiry date from the pack and enter it. Enter the number of strips in the pack. In our demonstration, there are 25 strips. Tap Save. We now have to calibrate the meter. This is necessary only every time a fresh pack of strips is used. The LED of the hemoglobin test starts flashing. Insert the calibration strip into the hemoglobin slot of the device. The calibration takes a moment. You hear 2 beeps indicating that calibration is done. The LED goes off. The app shows that calibration is done. Ensure that the calibration code shown on the device matches with the calibration code shown on the strip. Remove the calibration strip from the hub. Have the patient's hands thoroughly cleaned. Disinfect the fingertip with an alcohol swab. Let the alcohol dry. Prepare the lancing device. Open the device tip. Insert a lancet into the lancet holder. Break off the cap of the lancet. Replace the device tip. You can adjust the lancet setting up to 5. Pull back the plunger and release. Tap Next on the app. Keep a test strip ready. Press Start. You hear a beep and the hemoglobin LED starts flashing. Insert the strip after the EasyDX app asks you to insert the strip. Once the strip detected is good, the LED starts flashing at a faster rate. When the app instructs to apply blood, prepare the hand for collecting blood. Gently massage from the base of the disinfected finger towards the tip 2 to 3 times. Prick the disinfected finger with the lancing device. Press the release button on the lancing device. Wipe off the first drop with a dry cotton swab. Press the finger to get a spherical drop of blood. Apply the second drop to the tip of the strip. You hear 4 rapid beeps if the blood is applied correctly. The LED starts flashing even faster as the analysis starts. After a few moments, the result is displayed on the app. In case of failure or error, you can tap Redo Test. Else, if results are displayed properly, tap Finish. Remember to dispose all biomedical waste in the waste disposal container.